Hello, now we will do the experiment of actuation of double acting cylinder using Electro-Pneumatics. For this experiment, I am using double acting cylinder, 5x2 double side solenoid operated, then power supply and push buttons. Then we will see how to connect this experiment. For this experiment, we need to connect from FRL unit to manifold. From manifold, we need to connect from manifold to 5x2 solenoid operated. From solenoid operated to double acting cylinder, and then another side of 5x control to double acting cylinder. Then pneumatic connection we should go over, and then we will do the electrical connection. And then 0 volts connecting here. Then 0 volts and connecting here. I am using 2 push buttons to actuate the cylinder. Push button 1 to forward, and for retract I am using push button 2. And how this one from 24 volts I am connecting to push button 1, and then from the push button 1 I am connecting to solenoid of one side, and then I am connecting 24 volts to push button 2. This one is push button 2, and push button 2 solenoid. Then we will see the working of this one. We have to turn on the air supply. When I press push button 1, cylinder will actuate. When I press push button 2, cylinder will retract. Thank you.